Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today's tutorial focused on improving your design balance in Photoshop. When you create social media post, alignment becomes the backbone of clean visuals. Start by selecting all your elements using the move tool. Now check the top bar of the align icons. Click along horizontal centers to place everything along a perfect center line. Next, apply distribute vertical centers to fix uneven spacing. If atoms still look off, zoom in and double check their boundaries. Use snapping to make micro adjustment easier. Try grouping your text layers before realigning them. Proper alignment helps the audience